Okay, so the directions for this activity are pretty simple. Your job is going to be to read each of these word phrases and determine what they represent as an integer. Once you've determined what that word phrase represents as an integer, you're going to take the letter next to the word phrase and place it at that integer on the number line. The number line's down here at the bottom. So let's look at an example together. The first word phrase says 3 units to the left of 0. Here's 0 on the number line. If I travel to the left 3 units, I get to -3. So I'm going to take the H that's next to that word phrase. When you drag it, it's going to be easiest for you to drag it when this plus sign looking symbol is over the letter, because that means that you can control where that letter is going. So I'm going to just place that right over the -3 on the number line. And then I'm going to move to the next letter, the opposite of 13. So 13 is a positive number. The opposite of positive 13 would be -13. So again, I'm going to click that letter. I'm going to get that plus sign over it. And then I'm going to drag it to -13. So here's -10, 11, 12, 13. And I'm going to leave it above that tick on the number line. Once you've placed all of these letters along the number line, if you've done it correctly, it should form a series of words with spaces in between that answer this question at the top. Why did the bank robber run home and jump in the shower? If the order of your letters doesn't make sense, it's not forming words that create a sentence, you need to go back and double check your work because you've done something wrong. The only thing you can move on this slide are the letters. So those are the only thing you should be moving. And again, you're moving them above the space on the number line that represents the integer for the word phrase.